today's pursuit of high-quality food, German freeze-dryer machine manufacturers are the food industry's darling, driving revolutionary changes in processing. These machines ensure high-quality freeze-dried foods, fruits, vegetables, meat, seafood, preserving nutrients and flavor while extending shelf life. High-end freeze-dried fruit brands using them gain market favor for crispness and nutrition. German freeze-dryer machine also boosts innovation in food processing. Companies introducing them improve efficiency, cut costs, and enhance product competitiveness. In high-end snack production, these machines help meet consumer demands for health, taste, and convenience. Overall, German freeze-dryer machine with cheap price have bright prospects in the food industry. Their advanced technology, quality, and innovation bring new opportunities. They will keep leading food processing trends, offering more top-quality freeze-dried foods.